To fix the extension on your hair, this extension comes with a clip. Open the clip, comb it the extension and make it soft and smooth. Find the place that you want to fix the extension. This is side of your hair. Always start from the bottom. Make the place soft. Clip the rest off. Pick some size of hair the same size as your clip. Start teasing. 2, 3. Teasing this part and place the clip on that hair and close it. When you release the hair and comb it, this extension is gonna blend with the rest. If you want to add one more, just section it top of that. Again, clip it. Pick some hair almost the same size as your clip. Teasing. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Open the clip. Place it the teasing hair. Close the clip and comb it. This way, the extension is gonna fix on your hair and is not gonna move. And after you comb your natural hair, it's gonna be look so natural. Thank you for watching.